Hi guys, today we will make lemon iced tea, a cool refreshing drink that I would easily spend 500 rupees in a cafeteria, and now I'll make only in rupees 25. Let's start. For this we will need some tea. I used British tea, but you can use any normal tea. Pudina, which is also called mint leaves. Some lemons. Then we will need some honey. I used Patanjali honey. 2 glasses of water. And some ice cubes. Let's start making our lemon iced tea. We will boil some water. Add in 1.5 tablespoon of tea and then let it boil for 2 to 5 minutes till it is boiling hot. We will wait till our tea boils completely. Once it is boiled, we will switch off the flame, cool down the tea and strain it with a strainer into the jar. Then we will squeeze in some lemon and the color of our tea will turn into a lighter shade of brown as the lemon mixes with our tea. Now we will add in some powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons to be specific. And stir the mixture well so that it completely dissolves in the tea. And refrigerate the tea till it becomes nice, cool and chill. Now we will wash some mint leaves and crush a part of it with the help of mortar and pestle. Now we will cut the lemon into horizontal thin slits with the help of a knife. After about 4 hours, when the tea is cooled down, we will take out the tea from the refrigerator and start preparing the drink. For that, we will put some lemons into the jar. Add in our crushed mint leaves. Put in some cubes of ice and top it with a pinch of honey. Now we will pour in some cooled tea and decorate our jar with a slit of lemon and some mint leaves. You can also sprinkle some additional pudina patti and stir the mixture well. In the similar way, we will prepare our second glass as well. We'll put in some decorations on the top. Pour in the cooled tea mixture. Add in some honey and put some ice cubes. And it is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and do try it at your home and let me know in the comment section below how it turns out to be. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.